Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In this short tutorial I will discuss about sign out is not available on your Apple ID on iPhone. So how can I fix it? Open setting, tap on Apple ID name and scroll down. Here is sign out is not available due to restrictions. So how can I fix it? So keep watching this video until the end. So first of all guys, go back from here and turn off VPN is if any connected VPN in your iPhone, and scroll down, tap on screen time and scroll down again, tap on content and privacy restrictions and turn off content and privacy restrictions and enter your screen time passcode. Go back and tap on change screen time passcode and turn off screen time passcode. Enter your screen time passcode again and here is go back and close this window and open setting, tap on Apple ID name, scroll down. Here is sign out is available. Now you can sign out your Apple ID. So you can solve this issue by this method. So I hope this video helpful for you. So guys, please like my video, subscribe to my channel for the latest more updates.